What's up guys, real quick, right before the video, I just want to let you know I'm giving away these Tech 3 boots to one lucky viewer. You only have to do 3 things: subscribe, turn notifications on, and follow me on Instagram. David was our last winner for the goggles. He seems pretty happy.
Yo, thank you so much Diedrich for the goggles, they're amazing.
So hit that subscribe button.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Diedrich. So I just picked up this 5-drawer mechanics cart from Harbor Freight. It looked pretty solid in the store and it was on sale. So I think it'd be kind of nice to throw it together and have it around the garage and be able to wheel around the tools to the bikes and stuff. So let's go ahead and open it and throw it together. So now back to the point of this video. You guys remember the YZ250, right? Well, it has like a PWI carburetor and they're just trash. Horrible. You can't tune them, you can't do anything to them. I'm sure mine is just old and bad and not working right. So what we did is we picked up some new reeds, because that could be the problem as well, who knows. So we'll throw some new ones on there. This is the jetting kit from the first time I built it, JD jetting kit. And here's the carburetor from the KX500. And there's gas all over my new toolbox. But this guy should fit in there, and with a little jetting, should work a lot better than the carburetor it has, and maybe the bike will idle. So the first thing we have to do is we need to get this seat out of the way, and we need to pull the tank, and then we should be able to get to the carburetor and put the new one on there. There's our prize. We just got to get it out of there. piece of junk. Those are. And there's our reeds. So here's the cable to the YZ250. I took the other, carburetor cap off and the slide and stuff. We're just gonna try to use this cable again because the cable's fine and I don't want to have to reroute it up to the handlebars and everything. So here's the cap for the new carburetor from the KX500. Just goes on like that, and it's the same threads. So I think we got lucky there. Just like that. I'm just gonna go all the way with it, Here's the spring from the KX500. Goes on the cap, just like so. There. She is in there. Hopefully that's enough slack and everything. Here's the KX500's carb. I'm trying to open it up to see what jets are inside, and I got all three of these broke loose, but this guy right here, right there, this one's stripping out on me. So we're gonna cut it with the hacksaw and try a flat blade on it. And we will start cutting. See how there's a straight line now? Now we can get a flat blade screwdriver on it. Try to get it loose. Okay, we got it. All right, there's the inside, which is looking pretty clean. All right, we're gonna check out what jets the KX500 was running, because it was running good, but I think they're probably gonna be too big for a YZ250. So we're gonna take the jets out of the old YZ250's carburetor, put it in this one. So we got a 168, the main jet, and then the pilot. The pilot is a 58. So 168 and a 58. So let's open up the YZ250's carb and see what I had in there, and we'll just replace them. Well, we're gonna steal these Phillips screws because they're a lot better than the KX500s. That's okay though. So this guy is a 170. So that's bigger. I think the pilot is what controls your idle and low speeds. So let's see what we had as a pilot. We had a 45 as the pilot. Let's see what the JD Jet kit has. Here's a 178. Jesus Christ. Let's run a 48 pilot jet and a 170 main jet and see what happens there. Let's clean this edge up just with my t-shirt so we can get a good sealing surface. Okay. So if this doesn't work, we'll try whatever the KX500 was running. See what happens there. So that's good enough to, you know, test it out on the bike and see if she's even gonna work. We're also gonna be throwing these reeds on. So let me start with that. This might have been the whole problem the whole time. These are the stock ones. And you can kind of see a little bit of daylight through them. So they were probably just bad, but this carb is trash too, because, you know, people just do not have good luck with them. Here is the new gasket for the reeds as well. So let's throw those on. So my intake has this little nub, and the new reeds does not have that nub like the old ones did. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna saw that off real quick. Let's see it here. Just gonna give her a good old shave. Just like that. So she's good. We'll put a gasket in between them. Then we're gonna put a gasket on the back side as well. Keep it really airtight. Hopefully this thing fits in there. I don't really know. Hitting on all kinds of shit. Alright, we're in business now. Alright, what's going on here? Come on. Go back to your home. There she goes. Alright, let's throw the tank on and kick it a few times and see what happens. Shifty on there. So that's the end of the video, guys. The YZ250 is running awesome, and the new mechanics cart is pretty great. I got it at Harbor Freight for $200. Would highly suggest it because, I don't know, it's a good toolbox. And here's the old carburetor that came off of the YZ250. If you guys want to win this thing, just subscribe to my channel and comment whatever you want down below. I'll do a random YouTube comment picker, and whoever wins it, I'll reply to their comment and get your address and send it to you. I don't know if it's good or bad, but I just couldn't get it to work. Maybe you guys are better than me and can't get it to work on your bike. So just comment down below if you want to win this thing.